Most folks know of SparTek as a global supplier of processing equipment, primarily for panel manufacturers, whether it be engineered wood, rubber, or composites. We are involved with all aspects of processing, cutting, pressing various engineered panels. The machine that we're looking at today is our new all-electric flying cutoff panel saw. This solution existed as a purely mechanical device for a number of years, was very popular. It's been installed in multiple locations around the world. But customers over the past few years have been looking to improve accuracy, speed, reduce some of the maintenance that's involved with the hydraulics. And when you've got a pure mechanical solution, you just don't have the adjustability and the flexibility. So as we were looking across our entire list of solutions, we've recognized that we need to incorporate more automation, incorporate more mechatronics into the solutions. And the flying saw was kind of the first design that we addressed. So back in 2021, we started the project and went through a redesign, and it's been very successful. We've shipped several of these units this year. So in a plywood manufacturing mill, they start with veneer, it goes through a dryer, and once the veneer gets through the dryer, it goes through what's called a layup line that actually stacks layers of dried veneer on top of each other and applies adhesive between each layer. So this flying cutoff saw sits basically at the outfeed of that layup line, where you are pushing basically a continuous panel of stacked veneer to the infeed of the saw. So the saw then will automatically detect an edge at 99 inches. It will see where the front edge is, and it'll make a cut 99 inches past it. And it's synchronized to the conveyor. So the master drive system on the conveyor has an encoder that's providing feedback to the saw so that the saw can measure how much distance has passed. It can pick the spot to make the cut. So what you'll see is, as it comes through, you'll see the saw carriage begin to move, and that's moving in synchronization with the stacked veneer. And then it will clamp down to pull all those layers tight together, and the saw will move across, making a perfect straight cut while the material continues to move. So it's very efficient and very precise. We're within plus or minus a quarter of an inch, even run up at 20 plus panels per minute. The other feature of this one that the customer opted for, what we call a side shift option. As you'll see, the clamps release after it made the cut. That will allow the panel to move away from that stack of veneer and over to a side shift that'll begin stacking the material off to the side, and it automatically drops down once it's achieved a full stack so that that stack of cut panels can move into the pressing system.